Today we are going to learn about the reflection and refraction of light. Light is a form of energy which helps us to see objects. When the light falls on objects, it reflects the light, and when the refracted light reaches our eyes, then we see the object. Light travels in a straight line. The common phenomena of light are formation of shadows, formation of images by mirrors and lenses, bending of light by a medium, twinkling of stars, and formation of rainbow. Reflection of light. When the light falls on a highly polished surface like mirror, most of the light is sent back to the same medium. This process is called as reflection of light. The laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Plane mirror. The image is the same size as the object. The image is at the same distance from the object as the object is in front of it. The image is virtual and the image is laterally inverted. Spherical mirrors. There is two types of spherical mirrors, that is concave mirror and convex mirrors. Concave mirror. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards and the ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection form a concave mirror meet at a point on the principal axis. Convex mirror. Convex mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. Rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection form a convex mirror, get diverted and appear to come from a point behind the mirror. Use of a concave mirror. Concave mirrors are used in torches, searchlights, and headlights of vehicles to get parallel beams of light. They are used as shaving mirrors to see large image of the face. They are used by dentists to see large image of teeth. Large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat on solar furnaces. The use of convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. Convex mirrors give erect diminished images of objects. They also have wider field of view than plane mirrors. Thank you.